Hey everyone, Tom Kent here, and in this video guys what I'm going to do is I'll be taking out $100. So I just need to refresh this page just so I can see my balance. There we go, 112. That's cool. But yeah, what I want to do is I want to take out another $100 just on video so you guys can see as well. Just see how instant it really is. So I'll turn up my volume, check the account, that's all good. Request, and confirm, and we wait. And I've just got the email came through, that's cool. And now we wait, guys. So last time was quite fast. I'm not sure exactly how long it'll be. Right now though, what I'll do is I'll just pause this for now, and when it comes through I'll resume on the video, okay? But this is my current stats right now. As you can see, $106 in here right now. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Bye. Okay guys, back again, and it's been maybe 5 minutes, if that, something like that, and I've just been paid $90. Okay, so I did request 100. There is a fee which is normal. It happens in all companies, so there's nothing to worry about. But the payment came in within about 5 minutes from requesting it. So it's a great opportunity to get involved in if you want to make some serious money. Now is the time. This is the opportunity to go for, because they are paying. So let's just jump back over to my account and refresh this. So no pending now, that's cool. Go back to the dashboard. So I've got $12 in the balance. I've taken out $750 so far. It's only been about 5 days now. 5 days and I've earned $750. It's pretty damn good, and I'm compounding as well. So I started with $2,500, and now it's up to $3,125. So I've still got a long way to go until I've completed my goal for my active deposit. My first goal is $10,000 in the active deposit, because then it'll be starting to pay nice sums of money every single hour straight into my account balance. Okay, that's about it for this video, guys. If you've got any questions, let me know. Send me a private message or comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, cheers, bye.